Alright, I didn't get to record me taking off the exhaust, but I pushed it in pretty hard there. You can kind of see the little shiny part right there. That was a little damage. I busted my hose, but at least I don't have to replace it. I can just push it forward because it was just there. That's where the leak came from. As you guys can see, I've already done that to it. So I'm here, my man Fredo Garage. He came to the rescue. We're gonna do oh, let me show the exhaust. So we're gonna try to blow it up with some heat and some compressed air. So definitely to be continued. Alright, so the pieces that we're using, we're missing holes on these right here, but these are gonna be our covers. That's gonna go, where's the pipe go? Let me see, hold on, let me go get the pipe. All right, so pretty much these plates are gonna be the covers. These are grommets that we already kind of fabricated to it to get a seal on this one. And then for this one, we have actually a cover that we made. We just gotta press it on there. Then of course with this, sandwiches it down. Fredo did that right there. Put it around here. And then with our studs, we come down, tighten it, and then, you know what I mean, put some compressed air and some heat. Let's see if we can do it. So this is one of the contraptions we already did. And then the other side is gonna consist of this. We're gonna use a piece of this inner tube. Like that, you don't have to tap nothing. We'll run this right through here. Hold on. We'll run it right through here, right? We're gonna cut it, of course. We're gonna cut the inner tube. I'm gonna slide it right under here. And then one of these is gonna have a hole in the middle where the stem sticks out. And then it's gonna be the same thing as here. But since this doesn't have a holder or anything to hold, I was scared that it might slide out. So we might use this right here. So the pipe is gonna be sticking downwards. Let's see. I'm gonna just go to 80. Alright, so without even heat, it's already straightening up the pipe. But I'm not gonna put any more air on it due to the fact that I just remember it's cold. The metal's cold as it cracked. But yeah, it was moving it. It already has like 30-40 pounds on it, and it was already straightening it out. But now we're just gonna try to throw some heat. The contraption looks like it's working. So for right now, let's go. Let's try this shit. We got the heat. Let me just, I gotta do this joint, because that's the one I'm scared of. I'm gonna try to like heat it up all around, give it nice and warm. And then I try to avoid a pinch. It's definitely, I was scared this shit was gonna heat me up. If it was, it wasn't. Why you say it's the scary part when it's out? Because, bro, that's when it can, you know, you can hear the or some shit, you know, from this or maybe our contraption. Have some faith, you know. We won't do it. We too smart people. At least better than what it is, right? Satin gonna give. Let you solid move by itself. That's what the little pressure has now. You don't think it's gonna hit the toolbox go back there? What happened? You don't think it's gonna hit the toolbox back there? Let's see. Because we definitely need that seat point there. So let's just keep in that U-bolt down. Alright, so this one. Yeah. It's not that dark, right? Yeah, perfect. We're at 40 pounds. Oh yeah. 60 pounds. Oh yeah, I see it moving. That's 70 pounds. Oh, she leaves. Since I ain't show the contraption all together, it's that ghetto stuff, you know. If you want to save $1,
and this shit like video of him. Everything I'm saying in this motherfucker, all props.
It's looking pretty good so far. Better than before. Like a pancake. It's looking like something now. Here, come out. Alright. So, of course, like always, I didn't get to record the fab up part where we were trying to get this together with the mount. Let me try to get a little angle on it. It was pretty much just trying to get that straight on that side. This straight on that side, if you can see it. And then we had to twist this right here, the neck part, due to the fact that it was wrinkled right here, and I didn't notice it today. So I'll show you how it looks connected real quick. Yeah. Alright. So that's close enough. Now it's just kind of like some manpower. The rest of the way in, there's some clearance, somewhat clearance to the coolant line. Let's see how that goes. And then the back part here is, as soon as I'm connected here, I'm gonna start dealing with this back part. But it's gonna be easy because this one is the thicker part of the pipe. So it's just a matter of bending it down, you know, not even with some heat, and just put the mount here, exhaust, and we done. And that's how we pretty much do it. So let's finish it up. All right, we're installed. I didn't record the whole process due to the fact that I didn't know how long I was gonna take to try to straighten everything back out, but we actually did pretty good. So again, we straightened out this mount after this mount was there and aligned, connected, right? In order to have some type of stability like that, you don't have no force happening onto the head. We worked on this one right here. This one has more of a longer ear, so you can kind of flex the ear more than the bottom one. But fatter part of the pipe, easier to bend. We use an extension inserted to the back of the pipe to kind of like maneuver the pipe around in order to get it on here. Then after that, it started touching the exhaust. Started touching the exhaust. As you guys can see, we got like a 1/4 inch clearance. But we was able to get it out. Now it's mounted. Now I'm gonna try to figure out this tail situation. You know, KTM and Husky problems. But if I can't, it's just gonna stay that way. And when it rips, it rips. All right, so here she is. Buttoned up, exhaust back. After dislocated my shoulder after that accident, took advantage, fixed the tail a little bit, straightened her back out. Bro, how much should I pay for that? Alright, so let's cut her on for the first time since the accident.